I say Hebrews, I mean myself. Praying, cause I can't redeem myself. Yeah. 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 Yeah, look, Lord knows we stayed strong on these 10 toes, but still kept coming up, Danny DeVito's. From college dropouts to shooting free throws, now the world knows we bet the Hebrews from the Negroes. Now ancient wisdom done spilled over, now we give that for things we used to kill over. Now our adversaries about to kill over, and herbs from the earth make you live longer. No more doctors are known, they abbreviate them words and brought them close. But now my people feel sober. You ain't cursed if you claiming that you a real soldier, and you only feel the heat if you live polar. Wow. Yeah, we coming back. We went from Hebrews to Negroes. Now we back to Hebrews from Negroes.